What we're going to show you now is how to replace your switch inside of your Skee-Ball Premium. First thing to do would be to remove your power cord from the wall. Now that your game is pushed away and you see the back panel, 6 screws are there. Use your square bit and remove the screws. Now that the screws are removed, safely put them in a space because you're going to need them later. We can now take the back panel off. Place the back panel down and you will see the inside of your Skee-Ball Premium. Now that the game is exposed, find the sensor that we need replacing. So in this case, it was the 40 hole, so we are going to go to the 40 sensor, remove the 2 screws, which will release the switch. Remove the bad switch. Here's the new switch. Connect it back, only one way to be able to do that, and replace with the existing holes in the playfield. And the second screw. And grab your back panel. Slide it back in. Grab those screws you had before and reattach the back panel. You are finished and you have successfully replaced a mechanical switch on your Skee-Ball Premium. Thank you and have a wonderful tomorrow.